Filling empty dictionary. Filling empty dictionary. We are able to create an empty dictionary in Python, then we can add new key values to it later. Let's see how. Okay, go to brackets now. So to create an empty dictionary and fill it up later, just create any dictionary name equals empty curly brackets. Then you can add new key values like what we showed in the previous lecture, such as dic square brackets quotation marks Toyota equal quotation marks and add your key value, such as Camry. You actually can add whatever keys you would like to add, like what I'm doing right now. Cool. Next, to print the whole dictionary, just type print dic. After that, try that on terminal. Pretty cool. As you can see, terminal printed the whole dictionary with its keys and values in one line. Thank you for watching.